In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to automatically assign someone a role on Discord in a server, so be sure to leave a like and watch this video to the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. So you're going to begin by actually having roles in your server. So you're just going to right click on your server and click on server settings, go to roles, and then you can add a role. So I'm just going to create one. I can just do new role, but I'm just going to do new member just so that anyone that joins is a new member. I'll make it green and then save my changes. Now, once that's done, you're going to navigate to your internet browser and search up yagpdb.xyz. It'll open up this web page and click on Control Panel. There's going to be this option to log in using Discord, so I'm going to do that and authorize it. Now, once you are there, you're going to click on Select Server, and I'm just going to click on Tutorial. You're going to have to give it permissions again, so I'm going to authorize this. And once you do that, you can actually go to the server and actually manage it. So I'm going to click on the server once again and click on Tools and Utilities. Now I'm going to click on Auto Role and automatically assign members this role. I'm going to click on New Member. I'm going to create another role in the server just so that it will allow me to click this and I can show you this. All right, so all you have to do is make sure in your permissions that the role is below the actual bot that the control panel is on. So as you can see, new role and new member are below yagpdb.xyz. So you're just going to save those changes, go onto the control panel and refresh. And then as you can see, you can now click it. So if I click on new member, I can then save it so that anyone that actually joins this server will be assigned the role of new member. And that's really all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.